Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials. Confirm the exact vehicle ID in your fleet match the CPM records, and make sure you have admin access and a current backup. Next, test connectivity to telematics and the CPM server. Intermittent network issues often cause the car's not available state. Once you confirm ID and network are stable, open the CPM console and pull the live vehicle inventory, so you can observe which entries fail to resolve in real time. Now you dig into reconciliation. Run the sync and export the error log, looking for mismatched VINs, duplicate ID, or stale last seen timestamps. If entries are duplicated or flagged inactive, update the CPM database to match the telematics source of truth and rerun the sync. Make sure you correct time zone or timestamp format differences because those silently mark cars unavailable. Once corrected, trigger an immediate inventory refresh and watch for the cars to transition to available. Finish by forcing a manual sync and verifying each previously missing car shows as available. Check last seen and connectivity indicators. Then commit your fixes to the configuration, record what changed, and schedule an automated reconciliation job so the issue doesn't recur. If a car remains unavailable, capture the sync and telematics logs with exact timestamps and error codes, and escalate to platform support. This single step often uncovers deeper authentication or API rate limit issues that need vendor intervention.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.